Guys, just thought I'd bring you a little comparison today of the DJI Osmo Pocket and the DJI Osmo Action. Now, these are two great cameras, and I'm sure you've seen tons and tons and tons of reviews on YouTube. However, this is my own gear. I buy it myself. I'm giving you always an honest review, and you know, I just wanted to see what these two cameras perform like side by side, and to see whether you've got to make a choice whether the Osmo Action or the Osmo Pocket is the best choice for you. Coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you've not stopped by the channel before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, your support is hugely appreciated. That said, the Osmo Action and the Osmo Pocket, I mean, what's the best camera for you? If you've got to make one choice, what's it going to be? I just thought I would shoot this video side by side. So I'm in the car on my way out, obviously, because I'm in the car, and I've got both of these cameras mounted on the windscreen side by side, so you're getting exactly, well, pretty much exactly, hopefully exactly the same view. So I can immediately see on the screen of the Osmo Pocket that I'm not really that well framed. I think it's a little bit too close. It's not as wide angled as what the Osmo Action is, so there's kind of already a plus that I can see. I can see in the screen of the Osmo Action that I'm a lot better framed because of the wide angle lens, so that's interesting. On the Osmo Action, I've got Rocksteady for stabilization. That's switched on, and on the Osmo Pocket, well, that's a gimbal, right? So we're kind of hoping that stabilization is going to be good. Oh, I'm having to brake here. Whew. So actually it's pretty safe because I am hands-free. I'm not, you know, both hands are on the wheel, so that's all good. Anyway, I just thought I would film this also to see what the audio's like. Recently I did a video on the external audio adapter for the Osmo Pocket. Because the Osmo Pocket, the audio never really seemed that great with me. In fact, it was very inconsistent. I know that DJI added a bunch of firmware updates and stuff like that, and actually the gimbal's moved now, so I need to kind of get that back down again. So the other thing I wanted to test out today, guys, was, you know, the colours, you know, see how good that is. It's filmed in a fairly dark car. Also the sound quality. For the DJI Osmo Pocket, I've kind of criticised that in the past for having somewhat dubious audio. It's not very consistent. Sometimes it sounds okay, other times it sounds absolutely appalling. But guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about the audio. Recently I did a video on the external audio adapter for the DJI Pocket, and that video is on a card up here. Well, you can't see my finger, but it's up there somewhere. So check that out if you want a better audio solution, because that really does allow you to use external microphones, and that really ups the game. I mean, I'm a big fan of the DJI Osmo Pocket, I really am. I've had it for a couple of years. It's been everywhere with me. Everywhere I've travelled, I've taken this little camera because, well, great battery life, very pocketable, and it's 4K, 60 frames a second. You can't say fairer than that. The Osmo Action was an impulse buy. I've had it for about a year. Haven't really used it a lot of the time because I've actually got a GoPro as well. So really, if I'd had 3 mounts, I'd have put all of them up on the windscreen. But I fear that maybe I wouldn't have been able to see out of the windscreen, so that wouldn't have been that great. It'd have probably been a very short video. But that said, these are both very capable cameras. I haven't got any external audio device for the Osmo Action, and it's a little bit frustrating because all of these manufacturers have all got their own little widget, and it'd be really nice if someone could just make one that fitted all of them. My solution, because I kind of stopped buying all the little dongles and widgets and what have you, my solution was actually to use the Rode Wireless Go and they're absolutely awesome wireless transmitter receiver and a zoom recorder. So record the audio separately, sync it up to the video later, and you've got a solution that kind of meets all your needs, because it really is a money trap, a money pit. Maybe it is a trap, I don't know, but it certainly is a lot of money for all these little bespoke adapters, which, you know, they're not cheap. They're all like 50, 60, 70 pounds each. And you can pick up a zoom recorder and the wireless Go kit, stick a lavalier mic in there, and you've got a solution for everything. Even if you're shooting on mirrorless cameras or DSLRs or whatever you're shooting on, you've got a very, very good audio solution.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit.
So guys, let me know what you think about A, the footage, you know, what's the video quality like, what's the stabilization like between these two cameras, B, the overall composition. I'm not adding any effects or any LUTs or any, you know, changes effects or anything like that, so just let me know what you think. This is all raw out of the camera, as is the sound, so let me know what the sound quality is like. I'm going to play these clips back and forth, switching between each of the cameras for the audio, but I'm curious to know what you think, guys. So like I said, I've owned both of these cameras for, well, the Osmo Action for about 18 months, I think, when it came out, and the Osmo Pocket for a couple of years almost when that came out, and I'm impressed with both of them. But if you had to spend your money on just one, what would it be? Let me know, guys. Until then, I'm Dave for Scenes Through a Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching. Your support is always appreciated. Let me know in the comments section if you've got any other questions about these two cameras. And guys, I will see you the next time. Please like, please subscribe, and please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Bye for now.